Welcome to the Financial Works YouTube channel. Are you ready to embark on a journey that could lead to a new stream of income without requiring a massive investment or any previous financial knowledge? If so, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve deep into the world of advertisement programs, demystifying the process and equipping you with the tools you need to get started on your path to online financial success. Understanding advertisement programs. Advertisement programs are a brilliant way to monetize your online presence. Essentially, they allow you to transform your website into a source of revenue by displaying ads from advertisers willing to pay for clicks. For every click an ad receives on your website, you earn a percentage of the advertiser's payment. It's like setting up a mini cash machine on your web page. Now, let's break down the steps to kickstart your journey into the world of advertisement programs. Step 1. Discover your passion or niche. The first and most crucial step is to choose a niche or topic for your website. This should be something you're passionate about or have a keen interest in. Your enthusiasm for the subject will not only make the process enjoyable but will also drive your motivation to keep building your site. Do some research to identify niches that have a decent audience and the potential for ad revenue. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner can help you gauge the popularity of different topics. Step 2. Create your website. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to build your website. Thankfully, you don't need to be a tech guru to get started. There are user-friendly platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace that make website creation a breeze. You can often set up a basic website in just a few hours. Ensure your website has a clean and professional design. User experience is key. A cluttered, confusing website can drive visitors away. Make your content easily accessible and organize it logically. Step 3. Content is king. Now comes the heart of your website, the content. High-quality, engaging content is essential for attracting visitors and keeping them coming back for more. Regularly update your website with fresh, informative, and valuable content that aligns with your chosen niche. Here's a tip. Incorporate relevant keywords strategically in your content. These keywords will not only help your site rank better in search engine results but also attract ads related to your niche, increasing your ad revenue potential. Step 4. Sign up with pay-per-click services. With your website in place and content flowing, it's time to monetize it by signing up with pay-per-click (PPC) advertising services. The most popular PPC platform is Google AdSense, but there are several others like Media.net, InfoLinks, and Adversal. When you apply for these programs, they will review your website to ensure it complies with their guidelines. Be patient during this process as approval can take a little time. While waiting, keep adding valuable content to your site. Step 5. Ad placement and optimization. Once approved, you can start placing ads on your website. It's crucial to find the right balance between ads and content. Too many ads can overwhelm your visitors and lead to a poor user experience, so use them sparingly and strategically. Experiment with ad placement to see what works best for your website's layout. Common placements include within content, in the sidebar, or in the header or footer. Remember, user experience should always be a priority. Step 6. Attracting traffic. To maximize your earnings, you'll need a consistent flow of traffic to your website. The more visitors you have, the greater the potential for ad clicks. Promote your website through various channels such as social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. Engage with your audience and encourage them to share your content. Over time, your website will become a go-to resource in your niche, attracting even more traffic. Step 7. Analyze and optimize. As you start earning from ad clicks, it's crucial to keep track of your performance. Tools like Google Analytics can help you monitor your website's traffic and user behavior. Pay attention to which ads perform best and which pages generate the most clicks. Use this data to optimize your ad placements, content strategy, and overall website performance. Continual improvement is key to increasing your online income. Inspiring success stories. To further inspire you on your advertisement program's journey, let's look at a couple of success stories. 1. The travel blogger. Meet Emily, a travel enthusiast who started a blog about her adventures. By applying the principles of advertisement programs, Emily turned her passion into a profitable online business. Her blog now generates a steady stream of income, allowing her to fund her travel escapades. 2. The DIY expert. Mark, an avid DIY enthusiast, created a website showcasing his woodworking projects. Through targeted ad placements and consistent content creation, Mark transformed his hobby into a thriving online income source. He now shares his woodworking expertise with a global audience. In conclusion, advertisement programs offer an accessible and exciting way to make money online. By following these steps, you can turn your passion or niche interest into a revenue-generating website. Remember, success in this field requires dedication, quality content, and ongoing optimization. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey into advertisement programs today, and who knows, you might be the next success story inspiring others to pursue their online income dreams. Your financial future is in your hands, and the digital world is your playground. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more educational content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Good luck, aspiring entrepreneurs!